Hey everybody, good morning from Robb. Guys, today we're doing a review of dollar store food items, specifically 5-star review food items. What got me started was a couple weeks ago I went to the Dollar Tree. I hadn't been there in 3 years. I picked up this muscle meat. It was delicious. I was going to do a review of it. I said, you know what, let me look online and see if there aren't any more items on the Dollar Tree that people like a lot that are 5-star rating. So today we're going to do a review of these 3 items, the first of my Dollar Tree review videos, and we're going to be reviewing each of these because they have a 5-star rating on the Dollar Tree site. The first one is Jorritos Pineapple Natural Flavor Soda. I've never had it before. It's from Mexico. It has, the entire container is 290 calories with 71 grams of sugar. But this is 2 servings. I've never had this before. It's pineapple flavor. Comes in a plastic bottle. Gonna pour about a gonna get a new tripod at the Dollar Tree. Now pour about 100 mLs in there. You know what, we'll let that sit and get cold for just a second. We'll go on to another one. What we have here is 5-star rating for lemon pepper by Kingsford. It only has a few ingredients. It has salt, citric acid, dehydrated onion, spices, dehydrated garlic, silicon dioxide to prevent caking. I think silicon dioxide is sand. And lemon oil. You know what, let's put that on some fish. I've not had this before. It smells like lemon. It smells like lemon pledge. Let me take another bite. You can taste the lemon and the pepper and a little bit of salt, but not too much. Let me taste a piece without the seasoning. That's a good piece of fish. This isn't bad. It doesn't have any sugar in it. Nothing in there that's really bad. Yeah, I could see where people would give this 5 stars, or at least 4 stars. Let me smell it again. It has a lemony smell to it, but to be honest, it kind of reminds me of that lemon pledge furniture polish. That's my honest review. But it has a nice taste, nice flavor. But the aroma is reminiscent of lemon pledge. No, no. No lemon pledge. See if this is cold now. This is our first sip of the Jorritos. This is from Mexico, imported pineapple natural flavor soda. Let me smell it. It smells pineapple-y. Not too sweet. A mild flavor. It has a mild, smooth, clean taste. I don't drink anymore, but if I did, I'd use this as a mixer. It's got a nice. There's no aftertaste. I mean, strong aftertaste. I don't drink sodas anymore, but the flavor is kind of mild. I thought it'd be stronger, but it has no unpleasant chemical taste or smell, and it definitely has a pineapple smell. Something different. Yeah, I would buy this again. That's not bad. The third item. Now this was $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. However, you can get like 6 of these for like just $2 or $3 at Walmart. So work out to be 46 cents a can. The thing of it is, this had 5 stars. Also, I've never had this before, so it's hard to buy single can inexpensively. This has no beef in it. I thought it was beef, but it's chicken and pork. It's mechanically extracted as opposed to chemically or explosively separated. Chicken, pork, water, salt contains 2% or less of mustard, vinegar, dextrose, sodium etherobate, garlic powder, natural flavors, and sodium nitrite. Now, I did some research. A lot of people seem to like this on sandwiches. And some people mentioned having it with plain bread and a little bit of pickle relish and mayonnaise. So that doesn't look appetizing at all. You know what? Let's just take a little scoop of it without anything. It's a little bit salty, a little bit mushy. There's like a little bit of a chalkiness, like where maybe some bones were in there, ground up into powder. um, but it's not inoffensive at all. A lot more moist than I thought it would be. Oh boy, I don't know. Maybe this wasn't a good idea. It's a lot more wet and soppy than I thought it was going to be. I was thinking more like corned beef. Okay. Maybe without mayonnaise and just pickle relish. Okay, the taste is not inoffensive at all. It's kind of salty, but it's a lot more wet and mushy than I had anticipated. Um, I think, you know what? Let's try something else. We have a chip. Although the flavor of the chip will overpower this, but let's just see what we get. It has 8 grams per serving, and there's 2.5 servings, so that's 20 grams of protein. And allegedly, from what I remember, I think there was like 6 cans for like 2 something, close to 3 on Walmart, so about 40 some cents a can. So that's a lot of protein per can. The flavor is not inoffensive. I think it would make a better dip than a sandwich bread, unless you made the sandwich bread different than I did. Like I said, the mayonnaise in the pickle relish, it was too wet. But this as a dip has possibilities. Very salty. What are you looking at? 500 some milligrams of sodium per serving. 25% of your daily. So a lot of salt. So I could see someone buying this, taking it on a camping, fishing trip, and was hungry, wanted something with some crackers. This I can see on some fish sticks or even chicken. I would keep this for the lemon flavor in the cupboard because sometimes you would use this, but I wouldn't have this as a daily spice. And the Jorritos pineapple, not too sweet, and it's kind of smooth and a little bit different flavor than ordinary. So yeah, of the three, I think this one is the most interesting. This is certainly the most protein for the buck. And this one is a flavor you would have in your cupboard that you don't normally have, unless you're just have some regular lemons. I've heard people use lemons. You could use lemons. All right. So that's my review of the 3 5-star Dollar Tree items today. I'll do another video if you like this one. And I'm going to be doing a video shortly on the mussels I got from Dollar Tree. I used the recipe on the package. It came out excellent. All right, guys. I hope you're having a good day. It's been raining for 3 days. I was expecting some ants to crawl across the top because they're coming in the house from outside. So, guys, have a good day. Check out my other videos. New stuff every week. Been doing it for 16 years. Got over 1,300 videos. Bunch of cool people I featured on the bottom of the page. No relation to me. They would not anyway. All right, guys. Take care. See you out there.